What's up, friends? In today's video, we are going to be talking about number 56 and the math test from test 1 in your red book. So take a second, pause your video, read over question number 56. We'll walk through it together in a second. Alrighty, guys. So this is kind of a complicated little problem. It's short word-wise, but the idea behind it is kind of interesting because we're dealing with exponents. Nobody really likes exponents. So let me show you what the question is asking. The question is saying, we have this scenario. All right, and the question says, when we have this scenario where radical 3 to the j equals 27 to the k, what is the ratio j over k? So if we were going to treat this like a word problem, and you said, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find this ratio, j over k. What do we know? We know that square root of 3 to the j equals 27 to the k. So if we move on to step 3 and try to find j over k, what we need to do is find an example of a scenario where square root of 3 to the j equals 27 to the k. In other words, we need to come up with values for j and k that make this true. So here's what I do. I'm going to start from the ground and I'm going to work my way up. I know that the square root of 3 squared equals 3. Take it a step further. If I want 3 squared, I have square root of 3 to the 4th. This is equal to 9. Now if I take 3 to the 3rd, actually I'm going to do this on another line. If I have 3 to the 3rd power, 3 to the 3rd is equal to 27. 3 to the 3rd is the same thing as square root of 3 to the 6th. Okay? So now I have a scenario where I have essentially square root of 3 to the 6th power equals 27 to the 1st power. So in this case, if I look at my original format, square root of 3 to the j equals 27 to the k, I have a scenario where j equals 6, right? And I have k equals 1. I have a scenario where this is true, and I now have values for j and k. And I want to know, what is j over k? J over k is going to be 6 over 1, which is just 6.